Behold, this is the other elevator here at the new Seagull Stadium in Salisbury University in Salisbury, Maryland. Yep, there are only two elevators here in this premises, but not to worry. And besides that, it's also a Delaware elevator with a Montgomery fixtures. It should be coming down any minute now. So apparently you can use our gold card, like gold money at concession stand. Focus. Yep, time looks different on this one. We're gonna go to 4, close the door. Miracle's bone works, I like that. And there's a Delaware elevator logo here. I give credit to that for installing this elevator. Ooh, what a loud motor this is. A hydraulic motor. 3. We have 4. No doubt that the yeah, I like red lights on down lanterns. G, close the door. Let's get a cab view. Man. I like this cab so much. It's different than the others. And this elevator has 4 floors. But there's no secret here yet, but you have an emergency phone button. And your capacity is 3,500 pounds.
Double A's. Double A's, yeah. So Hoffman can come out next week then on your end?
Well, you can do what he wants. I'm all, yeah, like I said, I only got a couple just downstairs. All these.
You just reading voltage and stuff, or did they already do that?
No, all you can do is serial number, manufacturing number, the amp, the horsepower, model number, serial number,